a ṣe sọ nípa àdúrà gbígbà.
We are still talking about
Èyí
prayer.
tí àwọn ọmọ yìí sọ pé Olúwa kó kọ́ wa bá ti ń
That
gbàdúrà.
the disciples said that Jesus will teach them
A
how
dẹ̀ ń
to
jẹ́ kó
pray.
yé wa pé a ní láti kọ́ bọ́ ti ń
And will
gbàdúrà.
let us to understand that we need to learn how to pray.
Èèyàn máa ń kọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń ṣe dókítọ̀.
People learn doctor.
Èèyàn ń kọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà.
They learn lawyer.
Wọ́n ń kọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń ṣe oúnjẹ.
They learn how to
Wọ́n kọ́
cook.
bọ́ ṣe ń jó.
They learn how to
Wọ́n kọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń
dance.
kọrin.
They learn how to sing.
Àdúrà gbígbà náà gba kíkọ́.
So praying also need teaching
Jésù
and
jẹ́ kí
learning.
yé wa nínú Luke chapter
And Jesus
11
let
verse 1
us
and
to
2.
understand in Luke 11
A ní
verse
láti
1
kọ́
to
àdúrà
2. We need
gbígbà.
to learn how to
Paul
pray.
sọ fún Timothy.
Paul told
1 Timothy
Timothy
chapter 2 verse
in
1 to
1
5.
Timothy chapter 2 verse 1 to 5
Irú àwọn bọ́ ṣe ń gbàdúrà ìlànà tó fi ń gbàdúrà.
different ways how to pray.
1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 25.
1 Thessalonians 5
Òun
verse
náà ń pè
25
fún àdúrà
says,
gbígbà.
tell us how to
A lè
pray.
jẹ́ kó yé wa pé
He also let us to
Jésù kọ́ wa bá
understand.
ṣe ń gbàdúrà ní
Jesus
ṣòro.
teach us how to pray in vigil.
Nígbà tó fẹ́ lọ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ńlá.
When you want to take a great
Ó
step,
fẹ́ lọ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn jọ.
you want to
Kò ṣe gbogbo
bring
àwọn
his
èèyàn tó wà láyìíká ẹ̀ ló lò.
disciples, not people around him
Bó ṣe
that
pọ̀
he
tó lẹ́yìn
needs.
ẹ̀.
As many
Nínú
as they
àdúrà ló
are,
ti mọ ọdún ẹ̀
it
tó yẹ
was
kóun lò.
through prayer that he knows
Nígbà tó
who
fẹ́ lọ
to
sórí
choose.
àgbélébùú.
When he wants to go to
Kò
the
dédé lọ
cross,
dàyà dé
he did
àgbélébùú.
not just go there.
Àdúrà ló gbà lálẹ́.
He prayed in the
Kó
night
tó di kó ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lọ
before he go to
ṣáájú.
the place.
Nígbà tó fẹ́ ṣe baptism,
When he wants to be
ó
baptized,
gbàdúrà gidigidi.
he prayed very
Nígbà tó
well.
ṣe baptism fún tán,
After baptism,
ọ̀run ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣí.
heaven was
Nígbà
open.
tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́,
When he wants to start his
40
ministry,
days and 40 nights,
40 days and 40
ó ló lọ fi
nights,
gbàdúrà.
he prayed.
A dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó yé wa.
And we also let
Tí wọ́n
us
bá
to
fẹ́ ṣe
understand,
wedding,
if you want to do
tó bá fẹ́ ṣe
wedding,
ìgbéyàwó, tó bá fẹ́
wedding,
ṣe ṣíṣe,
if you want to
tó
do
fẹ́ ṣe anniversary,
anything,
tó
anniversary,
fẹ́ ṣe graduation,
graduation,
àbí abá ní emergency
or
kan,
you have any
bóyá
emergency
ọ̀rọ̀
to
court
do,
dé,
or
àbí
matter
ọ̀rọ̀
of
ilé ẹjọ́ dé,
court,
àbí ọ̀rọ̀ hospital dé.
or hospital
Àdúrà gbígbà
case,
ṣe pàtàkì.
praying is
Tí
very
o bá wà nínú
important.
oyún,
When you are
àdúrà gbígbà ṣe
pregnant,
pàtàkì.
you need to
Kó tó
pray
di pé o lọ gba ilé,
before you collect any
àbò
house,
o bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ kan,
or you start any
àbò
work,
gba iṣẹ́ kan,
or you collect
àbò
any
kó
contracts,
sádùúgbò kan,
or you want to move
àbò
to
gba
a
ṣọ́ọ̀bù síbì
neighborhood,
kan.
or you want to
Àwọn
rent
tó
a
máa bẹ́ẹ̀
shop,
ṣiṣẹ́,
people that will work for
ẹni
you,
tó fẹ́ fẹ́,
those you want to
ẹni tó máa
marry,
ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ pẹ̀lú
those
ẹ̀,
that will be
ẹni tó
your
máa
slave,
ṣòṣìṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú
that
ẹ̀,
want to be your
tó máa ṣe
worker,
secretary fún
that
ẹ̀,
want to be your
tó máa ṣe
secretary,
PA fún
those
ẹ̀.
that want to be your PA.
Gbogbo kìíní ló ń béèrè fún
All
àdúrà.
these things need prayer.
Àwa tá à ń ṣiṣẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì,
All of us that
àwọn
are
tó
doing
máa
work in
ṣiṣẹ́
the
nínú
church,
church,
workers in
àwọn tó máa
church,
ṣàkọrin, àwọn
and
tó
the
máa ṣe olórí
singers,
obìnrin,
the women
olórí
leader,
ọkùnrin,
men
gbogbo
leader,
ọmọ yìí ló ń béèrè fún
all
àdúrà.
these things require
O kò
prayer.
dédé kù bù ṣe
You
nǹkan,
cannot just do
o ní
something.
láti gbàdúrà
You need
ṣáájú.
to pray
Nínú àdúrà ló
about
ti
it.
máa rí ẹni
It
tó
is
lọ́n fẹ́ lò.
inside prayer you will see those you want to use.
Wàá dẹ̀ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ pè wọ́n lójú
Then
ara.
you start picking
A
them
sọ fún wa nípa
physically.
kéèyàn Jésù lọ retreat, ó lọ dá gbàdúrà.
We told us how Jesus withdrew
Fúnra rẹ̀ ló lọ wá
himself
ojú Olúwa.
to go and pray and seek
Luke
the
chapter
face
5
of
and
the
16.
Lord. In Luke
Wọ́n
5
ló lọ
and
sínú
16,
aginjù.
told
Òun
us
nìkan
that
ló wà ńbẹ̀.
Jesus went to the wilderness
A sọ
he
fún pé láti
himself
wá ojú Olúwa
just
rí.
to seek the face of the Lord.
Bóyá ọkọ̀ rẹ̀ ò fẹ́ tún agbára ẹ̀ ṣe,
Or you want to renew your
àbí
strength.
o fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan pàtàkì.
You want to do something important.
O fẹ́ lọ béèrè nǹkan kan pàtàkì. O fẹ́ wá ìṣípayá kan
You
lọ.
need to seek for some revelations.
Jacob sọ fún nínú Jacob,
In
ó kó àwọn
the
ọmọ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀sẹ̀gbẹ̀, àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀gbẹ̀ àtàyàwó
Jacob
ẹ̀sẹ̀gbẹ̀.
abandoned his
Òun
wife
nìkan
and
lọ
his
sí
slaves.
etí odò yẹn.
Himself went to the
Ó lọ
river
dá gbàdúrà ńbẹ̀.
to go and pray.
Àkókò kan wà
There are some
téèyàn
times
máa ń dá gbàdúrà.
that you have to pray
Lẹ́nìí,
yourself. Today,
a máa sọ àdúrà pẹ̀lú àwọn inner circle.
we will talk about praying and some inner circles in prayer.
So ìgbà míì wà,
There are some
ìwọ nìkan ló máa
times
gbàdúrà.
it is only you that will
Ìgbà míì
pray,
wà,
and there are some
ìwọ
times
àti àwọn èèyàn péréte
you
kan
and
lẹ́jọ́ máa
people
gbàdúrà.
around you will pray.
Àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ yín jọ yéra yín,
People that you
àwọn
understand
tá a lè pè
yourself.
ní tíìmù ẹ̀,
Those we can call your
àwọn
team.
inner circle ẹ̀,
Those are your inner
àwọn
circle.
mọ̀sínúmọ̀síkún ẹ̀,
Those that know you in and
àwọn
out.
kòríkòsùn ẹ̀.
Those that you cannot do without
Ẹ jẹ́ ká
seeing
wo
them.
Luke 9:28.
In Luke chapter 9 verse 28.
Luke 9:28.
Luke
Àwọn kan wà
9:28.
bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ fún gbogbo ènìyàn.
There are some people that the way you
Àwọn
are
kan wà
friends to
aláṣírí
everyone,
ẹni wọ́n jẹ́.
some people are your secret
Èdè
partner.
yíra ń
You
gbọ́.
understand yourself.
Wọ́n lè má ju méjì mẹ́ta lọ.
They may not be more than
Àdúrà
2
gbígbà
or
yín ní
3.
ó ní agbára púpọ̀.
Your praying together has
Luke
power.
9:28.
Luke 9:28
Yes.
says, and it came to
Ó
pass
sì ṣe
about an 8 days
nígbà tó dọjọ́ kẹjọ
after this,
nílẹ́yìn ẹ̀kọ́
saying,
wọ̀nyí.
he took Peter
Ó
and
mú
John
Pétérù,
and James
John àti James.
and went up
Wọ́n
into
dẹ̀
a
lọ sórí
mountain
òkè
to
nìkan,
pray.
àwọn nìkan. So ìgbà kan wà,
There
òun
are
nìkan
some
dá lọ.
time him alone went to
Ṣùgbọ́n níbí
pray.
báyìí,
In this place,
òun àti àwọn bíi mẹ́ta lọ́jọ́ lọ.
Jesus and like 3 people went to the mountain
So
to pray.
nígbà míì,
There are some
wọ́n pe
times
kí ni corporate prayer.
we call it corporate
Àdúrà pẹ̀lú
prayer,
àwọn èèyàn díẹ̀.
praying with people that
Àbí
are not
àdúrà pẹ̀lú
much,
àṣírí secret prayer.
or it's a secret
Tẹ̀jọ́ máa
prayer
lọ gbàdúrà níbi tí ó sẹ́ni
that
kankan
you
bẹ̀.
have to go to an hidden place where
Eléyìí máa ń
people are
fún
not
yàn ní
there.
okun sí agbára
This
èèyàn.
will give you strength, renew your
Nígbà míì tó
strength
bá
in
rẹ̀
the
èèyàn,
spirit. When you are
bóyá
tired,
àwọn nìkan lè gbàdúrà wákàtí kan.
when you are tired, you just pray alone, 1 hour
Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà
prayer.
tẹ́ bá pọ̀ jíjẹ́ pé bí mẹ́tẹ̀
But
méjì
when you
mẹ́ta,
are much,
ẹ fi agbára ran agbára.
you will use power
Bíbélì sọ pé
to
irin á máa
assist
pọ́n
power.
irin.
Iron sharpen iron.
So nígbà tẹ́ ẹ jọ pé bí mẹ́ta
When
mẹ́rin
you
yẹn
are 2 or
ẹ lè
3,
gbàdúrà wákàtí
you
méjìlá.
can pray like 12
Àwẹ̀ gbígbà nígbà
hours.
míì
Fasting
ó
sometimes,
máa ń gba kẹjọ gbà papọ̀.
it requires you
Nígbà tó bá
fasting
ń rẹ̀ ẹ́
together.
díẹ̀,
When you are
àwọn
tired,
èèyàn á ró ẹ lágbára.
people will renew your
Nígbà míì
strength.
èèyàn lè
Sometimes
gba àwẹ̀ kó má lè gbàdúrà.
you fast and you
Ṣùgbọ́n
will
nígbà
not
tẹ́
be
bá
able
pé
to
bí méjì
pray.
méjì
But
mẹ́rin
when you
mẹ́ta
are 2 or 3,
okun á ran okun,
the strength will
àdúrà yẹn á
assist.
ṣeé ṣe.
The prayer
Tó
will be
bá
able
fún ẹ
to.
níṣẹ́ kan láti ṣe,
When you are given some work to do,
ó ṣeé ṣe pé ẹ wo Daniel, wọ́n nígbà tó gbọ́rọ̀ ọba pé òun láàlà àwọn ọmọ tó mọ̀ ẹ́, ó pe àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ díẹ̀, àwọn bíi mẹ́rin yẹn wọ́n jọ lọ gbàdúrà
you
láti
can
lọ
see
wádìí
that
Olúwa.
Daniel, when he heard about the king's dream, he called his fellow
So
brethren
a ní
to
láti ní
pray
àwọn
together.
tíìmù èèyàn kan,
You have to have some team,
àwọn
some
tó jẹ́ pé
brethren that
tó
you
bá pè
pray
wọ́n báyìí,
together. That when you call
ẹjọ́ máa
them,
gbàdúrà
you'll be
papọ̀.
able to pray together.
Nǹkan báyìí ló wà níwájú mi o,
This is what is in my
iṣẹ́ báyìí ló wà
front.
níwájú mi
This
o,
is the particular work I
àdúgbò
want
báyìí
to
ni mo fẹ́
do.
lọ o,
This is the particular
ìyàwó
street
báyìí
I
ni mo
want to
fẹ́
do.
fẹ́
This
o,
is the particular wife I
ọkọ
want
báyìí
to
ni mo fẹ́
marry.
fẹ́ o,
Particular husband
kọ́ọ̀sì
I
báyìí
want
ni mo
to
fẹ́ ṣe ní
marry.
skul
This
o,
is the particular course I want to
ìlú
do.
báyìí ni mo fẹ́ lọ o.
This is the
Ẹ̀yin
town that
àti
I'm
ẹjọ́ máa
going
gbàdúrà
to.
papọ̀
You and those people will
láàárín
pray
ẹ̀yin
together.
mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin àbẹ́yìn márààrún
Within you people,
àbẹ́yìn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta
2,
ní
3 or
Ọlọ́run
4,
á fi àṣírí hàn
within
yín.
yourself, God will show one
Ọlọ́run á
person
dẹ̀
the
gbé sí
secret.
yín.
God will
Ẹ rí i
God
pé
will
ọkàn yín
come
dẹ̀
to
máa agree
someone
pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
and you'll be able to agree
At the
together.
end of the day,
At the end of the day,
ẹ mọ tó yẹ kẹ́ ṣe.
you'll be able to know
Nígbà
what to
míì
do.
ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lè wà confused,
Sometimes you'll be
tí
confused,
gbogbo ọkàn ẹ máa dàrú.
that you not even
Wà
your
á
mind
pe
will
àwọn
not
ará
be
bí ìjọ,
settled. You call your
ẹjọ́
brethren
wojú Ọlọ́run
together.
fún wákàtí kan,
Seek the face of the Lord
wákàtí
within 1
méjì,
hour, 2
ẹjọ́
hours.
gbàdúrà,
Pray
ẹ rí i
together,
pé ọkàn yín á dẹ̀ mú
and
pẹ̀lú
you
tó bá
will
fẹ́ ṣe.
see that what you want to do, your mind will be able to
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ rí
do
ṣe.
it. You'll be able to do
Àdúrà pẹ̀lú àwọn
successfully.
èèyàn péréte yìí,
Praying with your brethren,
àwọn tó
with
pè ní
people
inner circle,
that you call your
àwọn
inner
kòríkòsùn,
circle, that you cannot do
àwọn
without
mọ̀sínú
them.
mọ̀síkùn,
Your inner secret
àwọn tó
people,
mọ àṣírí ẹ̀,
those that know your in and
àwọn
out.
nǹkan àdúrà ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ agbára pẹ̀lú wọn.
Prayer works together with them.
A tún máa ń gbàdúrà nígbà míì
When you want to pray
tá a bá ní
sometimes,
tó pè ní special need.
you have a special need.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo Ephesians chapter 6 verse 18.
Ephesians chapter 6 verse
Àwọn
18.
ìgbà kan wà tí wọ́n máa ń ní emergency,
There are sometimes you have
wà ní
emergency.
special need.
You have special needs.
Bóyá o nílò owó pàjáwìrì owó,
Maybe you need important money,
wà á lọ wá ojú
urgent
Olúwa
money.
lórí
You
ẹ̀.
seek the face of the
Ọlọ́run máa ń
Lord
dáhùn
about
àdúrà
it.
yẹn.
God answered those
Jésù náà dẹ̀ máa ń
prayers.
gbarú ẹ̀.
Jesus also answers
So
prayer like that.
Luke 22 verse 40 to 44.
Luke 22.
Ẹ kọ́kọ́ wo Ephesians 6:18. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀.
There are some things that
Tọ́lú wàá sáré lọ
happen
gba pàjáwìrì
that
àdúrà.
you have to pray a
Tọ́lú
fast
dẹ̀ máa ń
prayer,
dáhùn àdúrà.
and God
Àwọn
answers such
emergency
urgent
prayer.
prayer, emergency
Bóyá o nílò
prayers,
owó ni,
or you need money,
bóyá àbí o ti gbà ọjọ́ orí màá ti ń pẹ́ lórí mi, bóyá kì í tún fẹ́ yàwó.
or maybe you just need, I'm getting older,
Àbí
I
o
need
nílò pé
wife or husband,
o fẹ́ gba ìdájọ́ kan
or you need some judgment,
tó pé bóyá justice yìí ṣe kò ní ló máa pè mí àbí ò ní pè mí.
and maybe this justice will
O dẹ̀ fẹ́ kọ́ lọ fún ẹ ní ìdájọ́ tó
is
dáa.
going to favor you or not,
Ìyẹn máa ń
and you
gbarú
want
àwọn
to give
àdúrà
you
bẹ́ẹ̀
good
yẹn.
justice, you
Ẹ
pray
wo
about
obìnrin
it.
nínú Luke 18 tí Jésù sọ
In
fún ẹ.
Luke chapter
Ó ní
18,
pé obìnrin yẹn ò jẹ́ kọ́kùnrin yẹn sinmi.
the woman that
Ó
just talked
ṣàpariwo
about
bá
that,
ń
he
gba
was
ìṣèdájọ́ fún mi,
disturbing that
ìdájọ́
man.
fún mi.
Give me justice.
Àwọn pàjáwìrì àdúrà yẹn.
These are the emergency
Àbí o nílò
prayer.
kálàáfíà tiẹ̀ wà nínú ọkàn ẹ.
Or you want peace in your
Àbí
mind.
gbogbo àdúgbò ti dàrú.
Or the
Àbí
environment
pé wọ́n
that's
ṣe riot
scattered.
káàkiri.
There are fights
Ó lè fẹ́ kọ́ lọ
around,
kó mú
and you
àlàáfíà wá.
want God to bring peace
Ọjọ́
to
tó wà lórí
the
omi tí
area.
ìjì jà lórí omi.
When they were on the water
Emergency
and
ló wà
wind
ní.
was blowing,
Wọ́n
they
lọ
are
pe
in
Jésù.
emergency. They called
Jésù
Jesus
dẹ̀ bá ìjì yẹn wí.
urgently, and Jesus commanded
Àbò
the
fẹ́
wind.
ọjọ́ ayẹyẹ kan tiẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀.
Or you have some very important
Àbí
occasion,
celebration kan dédé wá.
or you have celebration that's coming,
O lè fẹ́ kọ́ lọ
ahead
kó
of you.
yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀.
and you want God
Àbò
to make it
gbogbo ọdún yìí mi ò
happen.
máa tí ì yan Ọlọ́run, mi ò máa tí ì
All
ṣe
throughout
ọjọ́
this
ayọ̀
year,
kankan.
you just look at, you have not done something important,
O dẹ̀ fẹ́ kọ́ lọ kó fún ẹ
and
lọ́jọ́
you
ayọ̀.
want God to give you a day of
Èèyàn
celebration.
máa ń béèrè fún Ọlọ́run.
You ask it from God.
Special need la pè
That
é.
is a special
Ohun tí ò
need.
sí bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. O dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó
What you
wà
do
ńbẹ̀.
not have, and you want to
O
have
gbọ́ Ọlọ́run gbọ́
it.
kó fẹ́ ra lẹ̀ ni.
You have a belief
O
that
gbọ́
you
Ọlọ́run
want
gbọ́
to
fẹ́ ra
buy a
mọ́tò ni.
land, you want to buy
O gbọ́ Ọlọ́run
a
gbọ́
car,
fẹ́ sanwó school ọmọ
you
ni.
want to pay
O
school
gbọ́ Ọlọ́run gbọ́ kó
fees.
fẹ́ ra aṣọ ni.
You believe in
Àbí
God
o
that
fẹ́
you
gbà
want to
nínú
buy a
church yìí
clothes,
Ọlọ́run
or
ló
inside
Ọlọ́run ló
church you
nínú
want
church
God
yìí.
to make use of
O
you.
ní special need kan.
That is a
Àwọn ti
special
fún ẹ ní
need
deadline kan.
that you have a special need of, a
Wọ́n ti fún ẹ
deadline
nígbà
that you
tí o bá
are
ti
given.
ṣe kí ni ní àkókò
That
báyìí.
if you do not do this
Àbí tí kí ni
particular
ò bá rí
thing
báyìí
at
ní
a
àkókò
particular
báyìí.
time,
Àbí ọmọ ẹ lọ ṣe interview.
or interview that your
Àbí ọ̀nà
child
lọ ṣe
went
interview.
to, or you went to do
O dẹ̀ fẹ́
interview,
kọ́ lọ kó jẹ́ kó
and
ṣàánú
you
fún ẹ.
want God to have blessing
Ó
upon you.
àwọn special need máa ń
These
wà.
are the special
Lọ́pẹ́ tó
needs
bá gbàdúrà yẹn,
that you need a special
Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa ń
prayer,
dáhùn.
and God will
Nehemiah
answer.
nígbà tó sọ pé kó lọ wá ojúrere àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì.
When Nehemiah was told to
Ó
go
wà
and look for
níwájú
the face
ọba
of the Israel,
gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbọ́tí.
he was in the presence of the
Kò lè
king.
gba permission.
He cannot
Ṣùgbọ́n ó
receive any
gbàdúrà sí
permission,
Ọlọ́run.
but he
Ó
prayed.
gbàwẹ̀ sí Ọlọ́run.
He
Ọlọ́run dẹ̀
fasted
ṣe ìyanu.
and God
Daniel náà gba
provided.
tiẹ̀ náà
Daniel in
torí
his
pé kò
own
fẹ́ tú
time,
ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì sílẹ̀
when he wanted to
ó
deliver
gbàdúrà sí
children of
Ọlọ́run
Israel, he
Ọlọ́run
prayed
dẹ̀ dá lóhùn
and God
àbí Mósè
answered
nígbà
him.
tó wà létí
Or
òkun pa
Moses, when he
ó
was in the
gbàdúrà
face
sí
of the
Ọlọ́run
Red Sea, he
Ọlọ́run
prayed
dẹ̀ dá lóhùn
and God
má
answered
fojú
him.
di àwọn àdúrà special need
Do not overlook the prayers of special
ó lè má
needs.
ju 2 minutes lọ
It may not be more than 2
ó lè má ju
minutes.
3 minutes
It
lọ
may not be more than
ó lè
3
má ju ọ̀rọ̀
minutes.
àṣẹ kan
It
lọ
may not be just
ṣùgbọ́n
more
Ọlọ́run
than
máa ń
one
gbọ́ àwọn
command,
àdúrà yẹn
but God
nígbà tí wọ́n bá
answered
ní
prayers
special need
when you have a special need.
èmi tún wà
There are some
nígbà tí wọ́n bá wà nínú
prayers
ìnira
when you are in pain.
nínú ìnira
Prayer you pray when you are in pain.
ṣe pé wàá máa Olúwa kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan
You just be looking at it that God, what is going on?
tó bá wo Matthew 27:46
When you look at the book of Matthew chapter
Luke
27,
23:34
Luke chapter 23 verse
Luke
34,
23:46
Luke 23,
wàá rí i pé
26,
àdúrà ẹ̀ nínú ìnira náà Ọlọ́run máa ń gbọ́
you will see that prayer in pains God
bóyá nǹkan ti
answers.
sú ẹni
Or you are just
bóyá
tired, you want to give up.
wọ́n rẹ́ ẹ jẹ ni
Or someone cheats you.
bóyá wọ́n já ẹ lólè ni
You were cheated,
bóyá
someone robbed you.
wọ́n já ẹ kulẹ̀ ni
Or you were just
bóyá wọ́n
abandoned, you
dá
were
ẹ
just
sójú kan wọ́n
neglected.
stagnate ayé ẹ ni
Or they just leave you in a
àbí ọkọ̀ wà
place.
nígbà tó bá di ẹrù ẹ lórí
Or you are just there as someone that they just
àwọn
put
ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ló
a load
ṣẹlẹ̀ sí
on.
ẹ
All these things is
tó máa
happening
mú
to you
ìnira ńlá wá
that is causing pain.
ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run máa ń gbọ́ àdúrà yẹn
God answer prayers like
àwọn àdúrà
that.
nínú ìrora
Prayers in pain.
Dábì sọ pé lọ́jọ́ tí bá pariwo
David said, when I
ó ní àwọn
shout,
ọ̀tá mi yóò pẹ̀yìn dà
my enemies
ó
will
ní
come
eléyìí ni mo
back.
mọ̀ torí pé Ọlọ́run gbọ́ tèmi
This is what I know because God answer my prayers.
Ọlọ́run máa ń gbọ́ àdúrà tí ó bá wà nínú
God
ìnira
answer prayer when you are in
Jésù
pain.
Olúwa
Jesus,
nínú Matthew 27
in
dàkà
Matthew
yẹn
27,
Luke 23 dàkà yẹn
Luke
ó
23,
pariwo bàbá mi
he
bàbá mi
shouted, my father, my
èṣe tí wọ́n fi
father,
kọ̀ mí sílẹ̀
why did you
ó
abandon me?
débi kó tún pariwo
He shouted in some
Olúwa
place
dáríjì
again,
wọn
God
torí pé
forgive
wọn
them
kò mọ ohun tí wọ́n ń
because
ṣe
they don't know what they
àwọn
are
àdúrà
doing.
máa ń wá nínú ìnira
These are the prayer that comes
ẹlòmíì
in
nígbà tó bá ń
pain.
rọbí ni
Some when they
ẹlòmíì
want
nígbà
to
tó bá
give
fún ní
birth,
sack letter
some when they are giving
ẹlòmíì nígbà
sack
tó bá fún ní ìwé
letter,
kúrò nílé mi
some when they are giving to
ẹlòmíì nígbà tó bá fún ní
to pass,
divorce letter
some when they are giving divorce
bí ọkọ kọ
letter,
sílẹ̀ àbí ìyàwó kọ
maybe
sílẹ̀
the wife
nígbà tí ọmọ
divorce
tí
him or
ọmọ bá
husband
dédé kú
divorce
mọ́yàn
him,
lọ́wọ́
or when their
àbí
child just
ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀
dead,
láàbí kan ṣẹlẹ̀
or a very
inú
bad
ìnira yẹn
incident happened.
ẹlòmíì á
Inside
gba
that pain,
àdúrà
some people prayed
Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa ń dáhùn
and
àdúrà
God
yẹn
answered
tó dẹ̀
them
máa ń fi ọ̀nà àbáyọ fún
and
wọn
give them a
a ó
way
máa
out.
tẹ̀síwájú ní ọ̀la
We will continue
Ọlọ́run á ràn wá
tomorrow.
lọ́wọ́
God help
ọmọ
us.
bá lọ sórí òkè
We told us that we are
June
going to
11 to
mountain
15
in June
wọ́n tún
11
máa wà
to
ní
15.
Kòròdú
There will be a
wọ́n
bus
tún máa wà ní
in
Yànàpájà
Ikorodu, in
wọ́n tún máa
Yanapaja,
wà ní Ọ̀rẹ́gun
in
wọ́n
Oregun,
tún máa wà ní Kapasi RCCG camp
in Kapsi RCCG
so
camp.
orí òkè tá à ń lọ yẹn ẹgbẹ́ orí òkè Akínkẹ́mi ló wà
The mountain we are going to is beside the mountain of
Akínkẹ́mi ò fàyè gba
Akínkẹ́mi.
ọkùnrin àti obìnrin
Akínkẹ́mi did not allow men
ṣùgbọ́n
and
orí òkè
women
yẹn fàyè gba
together,
ọkùnrin àti
but the
obìnrin
mountain beside
Wọ́n jìnnà
it
síra wọn.
allowed men and women
so
together.
àwọn máa
It's not
ẹ pé
that
nọ́mbà wa
far.
080
You can call on our number 080 34
34
34
74
74
68
68.
a ó máa tẹ̀síwájú
We
lọ́la
will continue
God
tomorrow.
bless you.
God bless you.